Do you like lollipops, Serena?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lollipop. And the other lollipop. And lollipop. And the other lollipop.
Wow.
And
It's a lot of lollipops.
and
You gonna eat them all?
that.
You have to unwrap it, Serena. Oh, two more.
Is that for us?
I don't know.
The other lollipop.
To Mommy and Daddy. Mommy and Daddy to play with Serena. Wow. Serena, you want to open this one? Or you want to open those?
Open this one, Serena.
The lollipop and the red lollipop.
Wow. Look at all those lollipops.
And this lollipop and red lollipop. And bird lollipop and the other lollipop and red lollipop.
Why don't you open one of those?
But
She's not done it in there.
But the way there's some more in there.
You gotta check. More.
There's a pink lollipop. Open it, Daddy. Open it, Mama.
Open it what?
Open it, please.
Open it, please.
Open it, please.
You want to have the pink one?
Yeah, that one.
You know what flavor this is?
Yeah,
What?
pink one.
It's pink and the flavor is watermelon.
Yeah.
That's what it tastes like. What do you think?
You want to say thank you to Mimi and Pappy?
Thank you, Miss Happy.
Why don't you look in the camera, Serena? Say thank you. Look up here.
Thank you. I'll do it.
Can you say
Jeez.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
And Merry Christmas.
Say you're gonna open your rest of your presents. All right.